how to sell more cars, and in particular a close that I think is super valuable and super underutilized. It's called the visual close. Hey guys, it's Anthony. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to sell more cars, and in particular a close that I think is super valuable and super underutilized. It's called the visual close or the visualization close. A lot of times in sales we're so focused on the numbers, on the payments, on the finances, and listen, this isn't split in the atom. I think any top producer who can honestly look themselves in the mirror, or any sales trainer or coach will tell you that we don't focus enough on building value in the product. We're so worried about the numbers that a lot of times we're just selling a payment or selling a price. The visual close comes in handy when you're grinding a deal, when you're negotiating. If you have something visually to show your customer right then and there in the close to reinforce what they're buying, may it be a flyer, a pamphlet, something on the computer or on your tablet or iPad, something visual for them to see, for something for them to look at. Keep it at your desk. So may it be, a video of the vehicle, a slideshow. You could say, time out really quick, Mr. or Mrs. Customer. Let's take a look at this quick video. I actually have a 1-minute video. I have a 45-second video. I have a quick video for you going over the vehicle that we're about to buy, and show them that video again, right? Just a little bit of a refresher. Sometimes, Mr. and Ms. Customer, we actually forget how much value we're actually getting in exchange for this monthly payment. Remind them what they're getting, especially if it's been an hour or two since they've actually seen the vehicle and all they've been doing the last couple hours is negotiating a payment. That's the visual close. Use as many visual objects or as much visual support as possible to get those senses involved. We're creatures that use our eyes for a lot. Visually, aesthetics are pleasing to us. The visual close, kind of bake it into your close when you're grinding a deal. Maybe a tablet, maybe an iPad, maybe a pamphlet, a flyer, anything. Even if you leave it on your desk for them to look at, for them to see out of the corner of their eye, keep it next to your proposal, next to your pencil, right? Keep it next to it, side by side, so they see it, so they're constantly looking at it. It's a constant reminder in their brain. The visual close, it definitely works. It's underutilized because a lot of times in sales we're spending too much time on the numbers and not enough time building value in the product. That's a great little reminder when you're in the close. Hey, my friend, thank you for watching, and if you want to see videos just like this one, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the love and support. And don't forget, leave some comments down below. I'm looking forward to all of your interaction and feedback, and I can't wait to bring you more videos just like this one. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon.